now, finally, we came to the place, the beautiful place, the amazing, the mind-blowing, the fantastic, and nice view, having nice view. And the place is Jarogo. And these are the two waterfalls in Jarogo, which are situated, and the people of this place say that it is almost 200 feet long and high. So I don't think it is 200 feet, it must be more than 200 feet. But it doesn't matter, leave it to them. Now the water is too cold. I challenge everybody that no one can bath here, no one can even wash their faces or hands here. And this is the May month, and almost we are near to Pashakal, but because of that we can't wash anything. It is too cold. And now you can see my friends there, Hamzat Ali, Imad and Nazar. They are high and on that peak, and they are enjoying much. I don't think that you will see them clearly, but they are in the middle of this video, near to the trees, high up in the mountain. So may Allah bless them and keep them in good health. So this is the view of waterfalls, and there are a lot of people came here from different places. I think they all are belong to Swat. Some people are going back, some people are going upwards, and some are busy and eating watermelon and meal and drinking cold drinks. Some are busy and taking pictures. They are enjoying. I think you may heard some shouting. They are also shouting, taking pictures and shouting. So they are enjoying a lot. And why not? This is the place of enjoyment, so you can enjoy and you may enjoy. So I don't think Hamzat Ali and his friends are sitting up in the mountain, and they will come down after some time. But let's see. And I'm feeling very cold because there is no sunlight, so the air is too cold. And also I am sitting in very much distance from that waterfall. It is almost, I think, maybe almost 30 meter. I am sitting 30 meters away from that waterfall, but even it throws a small waterfall or drops of water, and I can feel. We call in Pashto Pasham. It throws Pasham on me, and I feel it. You cannot be able to see in the video, but I feel the Pasham. So it is too cold. And so I think no one can be here after evening. They must go to their homes. Here must be too cold. Now people are selling their goods and they are going to home. Just see the waterfall again. It is too high. It will look like very small in the video, but it is too high. If you see it in the reality, it will look like very high and very up. The water is coming down very quickly. Pressure of water is too fast. So please, if anybody can come here, so please I invite all of you, and please come here to enjoy, to see this place, and may Allah bless you all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.